Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Minaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to uninstall the Microsoft Office 365 applications from your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings. And then next step ay, click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa settings, ang next step ay, sinik mo lang dito yung apps. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa apps, ang next step ay, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung installed apps. So click lang natin ito. And then dito lang sa installed apps, and then dito sa search app ay, kailangan mo lang i-type yung 365. Ayan. So makikita mo dito na nag-appear na yung Microsoft 365 Office. So, ang next step ay, select mo lang tong Microsoft 365 Office, and then dito sa right side, i-click mo lang tong tatlong dot, and then next step ay, select mo lang dito yung uninstall, so click mo lang yan. So, ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan on how to uninstall the Microsoft Office 365 from your Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.